It's time! Pussy pounder! Look at these poses, fucking hell. Holy fucking hell, what's going on here? That looks dangerous. Hi homies.
Hi.
What's going on? Oh, sorry, I was just getting a good?
Yeah, nice. I'm going to teach you stuff at Wilton and do Oh, you boys, what's up? How's it going?
Oh, good, man. You liking it?
It's fucking great in this, actually. FOMO, what these things are for, right? Point them in shit, mate.
No, that's awesome. It's good to see.
Yeah, they're actually, yeah.
Hot and dry! Nice bike there, Dean. Good colours, mate. Fucking hell. Traction the wrong way. Hey, bro!
Why did you ruin your new tire?
I was fucking trying to catch you guys.
It's like a more true.
Here we go. Here we go. The pressure was on. Hard enduro gets harder because you're being shot at.
How's Marley?
Yeah. No, Lee.
PC
One
thing.
transsexual now.
It's
the younger generation's taken over white amount of motorcycles.
Yeah.
it's the seagull pounder now because they just can't quite. Yeah, seagull.
No, that's animal hate.
Okay. Pine tree pounder or something. I don't know.
That hurts. Was it?
Yeah, the
Natives.
greenies.
Greenies.
Yeah, the offended felines.
your cool headlight.
It's always been there.
I smashed it to a million pieces.
Oh, okay. How long have you had that, boy?
10 hours.
4 hours.
A whole 4 hours. What do you do? Just sideways into a tree?
Yeah.
That last one, that was nice.
Dean goes hard enduro. Fucking hell. Oh, this is great. Thanks, guys. What's going on, Dean? Thanks, Johnny. That was fucking epic. Fucking hell. So shout and fucking shit and then get a go at it. Fuck! God damn. Oh no! Quick, Dean, save her! You got this, bro, you got this. You can do it. Remember, elbows out. Oh, that's...
Perfect place to stop.
Yeah. you can yell at her about that later. I won't tell. Oh look, I told you you'd catch up. Right.
I didn't think I'd get you. Track go that way.
It takes out the hill climb. That was a beautiful pivot turn. Did you see that? See people pushing. Got a limiter there, bro.
Good chainsaw session.
Fuck yeah. Whee! Sits right on the hands. Whoa. I'm trapped. My fucking fat foot is stuck. Oh, there we go. Who is? Yeah. Are you ready for my trick?
Yeah, on your bag.
Chipping your gas cap.
I need that.
Yes, I caught you!
What happened?
I got stuck on my leg, I jammed.
I'll follow you.
Oh yeah, I'll follow you for 2 seconds. Fucking no, trying, man. That's a beast. Gucci, man.
Okay, see ya.
My bars are twisted. I crashed. Look alright.
I don't know, maybe do you feel like your wheel's going that way?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit.
Little
What do you
tap.
want me to do?
Just a little kick.
Just kick it.
Yeah.
Kick your
The front
KTM.
corner of the rim.
Yeah.
Front
Like
corner.
here?
Yeah.
Is that hard enough?
Probably too much.
It's going the other way now.
So don't kick it too hard.
Just right. Maybe a little bit this way.
Okay, man. Too much arm pump. Oh, double fucking log. Oh. That was tick. Whoa, whoa. Mate. On is on. That's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Hell yeah. Oh no! You're right. Oh, too excited, bro. Reckon.
I'm just gonna go on.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you're going on, all right. Want me just to chuck the back arse end down? Here we go. Under the bridge. There we go. Fucking sweet as. I'm pissed out of that. You've made a new line. Quick.
But the edge of the bridge hit into there.
Oh shit.
So I think I just need to land there in the bottom a little bit.
Yeah.
Just see a rear fender up in the sky. I was like, oh, fucking hell. You could jump before where we caught up to us.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
These two got stuck in there and I was behind them and they just lit me up and I was like, man,
Thanks.
yeah, awesome.
Yeah, no, I was getting a bit of that at the start.
Makes it fucking unpounded the pussy.
I want to see ropes and winches out.
Yeah, that's what I was expecting. I want to see 10.
Apparently coming through. Oh, fuck, following you's a hazard, bro. How the fuck? Mast doesn't bend that way. Oh. I'm watching his rear wheel. That wasn't very nice.
God, you look so pretty when you tell me that you love me. I wish that I could lie, but my mind gets in the way. I know you think that I'm always way too self-aware. Oh, we could never be together, but it's nice to play pretend.
Oh, fuck yeah. See that?
Those full bore guards to work, mate.